Life doesn't always go according to plan. Sometimes, right in the middle of your biggest moment, something breaks. But that's when true strength appears, not in perfection, but in persistence. This is the story of Ethan, a young musician. Ethan loved music more than anything. As a child, he'd spend hours practicing on his father's worn-out guitar, strings rusted, body scratched, but full of dreams. He wasn't rich. He didn't take fancy lessons. He learned by watching, listening, and feeling every note. Music was his escape, his language, his soul. One day, he got the biggest opportunity of his life, a chance to perform at a city music festival. It was his moment to shine. As the spotlight hit his face, Ethan's heart pounded. He took a deep breath and began to play his fingers dancing across the strings, the melody flowing like magic. The crowd listened in silence, swaying to his tune. Every note carried his passion, his years of struggle, his dreams. But then, snap! One of the strings broke. The sound echoed through the hall. The music stopped. The audience gasped. Ethan froze. His hands trembled. All eyes were on him. In that silent moment, Ethan had a choice, to give up or to keep playing. He looked down at the broken string. Then he smiled. He adjusted his hand and began playing again, this time with just the remaining strings. The sound was different, softer, imperfect, but full of heart. He improvised every chord, creating new melodies on the spot. The audience watched in awe as he poured his soul into each note. What started as a mistake became a masterpiece. When he finished, there was a moment of silence, and then the crowd stood up and cheered louder than ever before. He didn't win because of flawless music. He won because of his fearless spirit. Later, a reporter asked him, "How did you keep going when your guitar broke?" Ethan replied, "Because life is full of broken strings. You can stop playing or create a new song." That night, he taught everyone something powerful, that success isn't about everything being perfect. It's about continuing when things fall apart. Moral: life will break your plans, test your strength, and challenge your rhythm. But when something breaks, it doesn't mean it's the end. It's just your chance to play a new tune.